W something series.
Now you can wait your whole life wondering when it's gonna come or where it's been. You may have got your heart broken.
Just happy. So scary. I think it's gonna bite me. Harry. And I have one more. So ini semangkok. Yang mau hiwi semangkok. Oh, fish.
Tell me where you're from, what you do, what you like. Let me take your brain.
Happy. This is my house, Paul. My living room. As you can see, my house is, the design is very modern. Yep, my mom likes it this way. Yep, and this is that's a little dining room, small one. This is the main door. Right here. Yeah. But we normally don't use this. There, I just turn on the light. Yep, and this is a little breakfast where we normally have breakfast. Over here, right here is dining room. Yep. Yeah, this is where I normally have dinner with my parents every day. Yep. Yeah, and then toilet right here. And this is a stair going up to see my room. Yeah, this is a really pretty lamp light. Yeah. This is piano. This is living room. Yep, living room. Yep. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's me, my brother, my sister, my mom, my grandparents. Yep, that's me. The one in red shirt. Oh, and that's me and my mom. Long time ago. This is some snack for Happy.
Estoy sediento de su perfume y su olor. Ella viene y va y me mata
with my sister.
y me pone
Happy.
Ella viene y va.
1, 2, toy. Oh. Okay, one more time.
Mueve el boom boom, mata con su boom boom.